Hello, and thank you for giving Fred Martin Nissan the opportunity to earn your business. You recently expressed interest in Nissan Titan with us. I just wanted to send you over a quick video of one that we have in stock so you can see it for yourself. If you have any questions, you can call or text Ashley at 330-714-7621. The Nissan Titan is an incredible, powerful truck that is very capable, with most power in class and the most towing capacity standard in class. You're not going to find anything that Titan can't handle. It also has, for comfort and convenience, the largest standard touchscreen in class as well. We're located at 3388 South Arlington Road here in Akron, across the street from Lowe's. We do have late night and weekend hours available for your convenience. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. We're looking forward to helping you make an informed car buying decision here at Fred Martin Nissan. Wanted to also let you know the Titan is available with a longer bed in the King Cab format, as well as the Titan XD, which is slightly larger. Give us a call here at the store, 330-644-8888, or call or text Ashley directly, 330-714-7621.